Hi, I'm Jim Shaw. I came here in San Jose, 1976. Went to high school in San Jose. Went to San Jose State. Graduated. Started making hard drives in '72. Built a lot of clean rooms. Built 3 companies making computers in San Jose. Was building clean room, make lease offices. So that was a lot of deja vu when you're talking about office lease. Yeah, opened 7 restaurants in San Jose, commercial lease. I had a Wolf Creek Cafe, Buster Grills in Velco, Cupertino. Back then, I don't know if you old timer remember those. And those were great restaurants. #1 mall in the Valley. I was doing $300,000 a month business, but when Valley Fair opened, Valley Fair was nothing. It was a Safeway and a Universal Arts store. When Valley Fair opened, my business went down from $300,000 to $30,000. My lease was $30,000 a month. I got 10 years option. I got 10 years lease left. I lost 2 houses on those leases. I'm still paying these days. So you think the Valley was easy? The Valley Fair was my worst nightmare. But still, I was okay. My restaurant make money. But then I done with the restaurant. My wife made me sell those restaurants because I had too many girlfriends. I started karaoke back in '80s. South Bay Sing-Off still running around. But after I sell my restaurants, I bought changed the old restaurant to housing. Long story short, I changed my restaurant to house and 4plexes and condominiums. I made ton of money. Every single house, probably 5 or 6 times or 10 times. And so right now I'm in real estate. So that's why I'm here. Now I own 200 doors in the Valley. I'm doing great. Thank you.